Welcome to online learning. Today we shall learn about weather and climate. Dear students, you would have listened from your parents that today the weather is not good, or it is very good, or it is favorable for enjoying some spicy dishes and tea. An atmospheric thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the atmosphere. Hey, do you know the weather of a place changes every day and every hour? The condition of the weather in the morning may be different from that in the evening, and tomorrow's weather may be different from today. Changes in weather conditions give rise to seasons. In India, we enjoy 3 seasons. Summer. Summer is the season of roasting heat. The temperature rises above 40 degrees centigrade in many parts of India, leading to drying out of water bodies and water scarcity. Winter, the cold weather season in India, begins during mid-November. Temperature drops to a very low level and causes frost in different parts of India. Monsoon. The monsoon brings heavy rainfall in different parts of India. It spells a new life to the animals and plants found in India. It fills the water bodies which were once dried due to the roasting heat in the summer, and in this way the monsoon brings a new life for the people of India. Winter, the cold weather season in India, begins during mid-November. Temperature drops to a very low level and causes frost in different parts of India. Dear students, you would have seen people wearing different type of clothes, eating different type of food, and living in different type of houses, and also cultivating different type of crops in different seasons. Our lifestyles varies according to seasons. Our food, clothes, the house we live in, and the crops that farmers grow are influenced by the seasons. Take for example, the food we enjoyed in summer are spicy cucumber, watermelon, muskmelon, lemon water, and mango. So what does really weather mean? Weather is defined as the condition of air temperature, air pressure, wind humidity, and rainfall in the atmosphere at a given place and time. Farmers grow soybean, sunflower, cucumber, and watermelon during the summer season in India. When it comes to the clothes that we wear in the month of summer is different from that of the other seasons. Like we wear cotton clothes and loose clothes in the summer. We do wear these clothes to keep ourselves cool and sweatless. Next comes the monsoon. Monsoon is famous for its heavy rainfall all over India. So, what are the crops which are cultivated during the monsoon? Groundnut, paddy, maize, and pulses like moong and some other type of pulses are also cultivated during the monsoon. This is groundnut and this is paddy. We use some different type of clothes during the monsoon as it is the season of rainfall. That's why when we move outside we use raincoat and gumboots. These are some raincoat. You can see the kids like you have worn their raincoat, and this is a pair of gumboot which we use when we move outside during the rainy season in India. Roasted spiced corn, ginger tea with biscuit, and some spicy dishes are favorites of many people during the monsoon. Next comes the season of winter, the season of freezing cold. So, what are the foods do we enjoy in the winter? What are the crops do the farmer cultivate in the winter? And what are the clothes do you wear during the winter? Let us crops and vegetable like cauliflower, cabbage, carrot, potato, mustard, radish, and wheat are grown during the winter season. You can see this is mustard, potato, cabbage. Here we have cauliflower, carrot, and some other types of vegetables are there. What type of clothes are these? Yes, these are the warm clothes. These are made up of wool and these are called as woolen clothes. We wear these clothes during the winter to keep us warm. These are some special dishes which are made and served during the winter. This is carrot pudding, this is potato and cauliflower curry, this is spiced okra, or you can say spiced ladyfinger, this is spinach paneer, and this is spinach paratha, and these are some different type of others type of winter dishes. Climate. The weather conditions that prevail over a large area and for a long period of time is called climate. The climate of a place remains the same year after year. Take for example, in India every year from the month of July to September we experience monsoon, and it happens every year during the same time. Next, in the month of October to Feb we have winter season is there, and after that from April to May we experience summer season. And you should know that we experience these three seasons in the fixed time of the year. We never experience rainy season in the month of December, or winter season in the month of May, or summer season during January or Feb. But during the fixed time we enjoyed these seasons, and these are called as climate of a place. The same type of condition prevail here in India for a long period of time. Different parts of the world have different types of climate. On the basis of the prevailing climatic condition, the world can be divided into 7 climatic regions. So, what are these 7 climatic regions? These 7 climatic regions are very hot and dry. Next one is very cold, very hot and wet, warm and wet, hot and wet, cool and dry, and Mediterranean. These are 7 climatic regions of the world. Here is a map showing the Earth's current climate zones. We have 8 current climate zones are there. So what are these 8 climate zones? First one is polar, second one is subarctic, then cool temperate highland, warm temperature, dry, tropical, and measure of whaling zones. You can see the red lines, arrow with red lines, and you can see the arrow with blue lines. The red lines indicate the warm ocean current, whereas the blue lines indicate the cold ocean currents. I hope you enjoyed the class. In our next class, we will be learning about the factors. Those influence the climatic condition of a place. Thank you.